Bamiri, arata o hamwe na madagitari matiganite a magego marekinyitie thibitari-ini wa magego wa University ya Nairobi kuria maraiyuritwo ni Gikeno thutha wa mihango ya kuruta cindano itoire ihatite kinini kia mwana wa miaka itandatu gukinyanira.
Hiyo cindano imenisubua sana kwa mwaka mzima mpaka saa hii, lakini kwa kuzunguka kwa hospitali mingi nilikuja kuingia Dental School University of Nairobi, nikapatana na madaktari na wamenisaidia sana juu saa hii tunaongea mtoto ameshatolewa cindano.
Madagitari a kuuma thibitari wa University ya Nairobi nio maratafanirie mihango ya kuruta cindano ino, makiuga ni makenetio ni maumirira mao muno makiria kuona mwana ucio ni akuninirwo ruo na riu ni akota gucokerera mathomo ta ciana ingi kuona ndakoretwo akihota guthoma ni undu wa ruo.
This now what was bothering the child and the mother. From what mother said, she has not been able to go to school for 1 year. So now she can be able to go back to school. There should be no issue. Okay, this is what it is. This is normal, and this is what broke inside. So you can see it's very clear there. Yeah, we have now removed it. The kid can be able to open, and there should be no issue about functioning from this point on.
Kurutwo gwa cindano ino niguo guteithiriria family ino kuhuruka riu kuona kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe makoretwo magithiururuka miena itiganite magicaria thibitari ria mwana agirutirwo cindano ino o hamwe na makihoya uteithio kuri andu kuona muigana uria metagio niguo cindano ino irutwo wari iguru.
Madaktari wa dental school wametufanyia ile hatuwezi jua tunaweza sema nini, ila tu kusema ni asante. Wametufanyia surgery ya mtoto, cindano imetoka, tuseme tu shukrani kwa Mwenyezi Mungu.
We have a success story and a precedent has been made. To the larger Narumoro community, thank you very much. The unity that you have shown, the unity of purpose, ensuring that you do not forsake your brother's keeper, it is commendable.
Family no nicokeirie ngatho madagitari aria maratafanirie mihango ya kuruta cindano iyo, makiuga mwana wao riu ni agukorwo agiikara na thayo na oho magacokeria ngatho andu aria marateithiririe hindi-ini iyo. Na oho Inooro TV ni uria yamurikire rita ria mbere cira wa mwana uyu na uria ikoretwo ikirumanirira naguo nginyagia arateithika. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.